In the previous video, we hid the review box with the rounded corners if there was no review and only displayed if there was. What we're doing this time though is that if there's no review, we're going to add a custom message that says add your rating, and when you click on it, it will bring you down to the tabs. Unfortunately, the tab doesn't open automatically, but the user can then just click on reviews and add the first review. So we're going to have a look to see how to insert that custom content. So here I am in my function, and you'll notice it's a little bit different to before. So what I'm going to do now is just remove the items, and I'm going to restore this back to the way that it was, and then we'll have a look at the change and what we've done to only echo out the message then and the link to that if there is no review. So here we are pretty much back to the way that we were, and we basically said that echo out this information if there was a rating, and over here enter the closing div if there's a rating. So I'm going to save that, head over to the website, and when I refresh now, you'll see that there's no rating available, and if I click on a product with a rating, the rating is displayed. Now what we're going to do then, of course, is go back so that when we do click here, there's a message that says be the first to rate this product. So we're going to head back now and just adjust the code in order to do that. Now, one of the first things that we're going to need to do is just change the structure here. So now we're permanently going to have the box displayed. The only thing that we're going to change is the message. So to do that, I'm going to take out the div and I'm going to place that before the condition so that it's always available. And what I'm going to do now with the closing div is, if that's permanently available, this should also be permanently available, so I can remove all the references to the product and whether there is a rating or not. Right, so we have the closing div. Now what we need to do is just change the message that is output. So here we're saying if there is a product rating, then echo out top rated div, else. So now we're going to output a message if there is no top rated, if there is no rating, and that message will be echo, and let's go be the first to review this product, and we'll save that. And now when we go over to the website, you'll see that we have the message be the first to review this product. Now we want to add an anchor link. So what must that link to? Let's right click and inspect reviews, and we see that it has an ID here of tab title reviews. So let's copy that. Let's head back to the website, and now let's put in the ahref tag as usual. Ahref equals, we put in the tag, we close off, right, and over here, right, so there we've added the link. Let's test that. So refresh the page. We now see that it's a link. We see that the link has been applied. Click on it and it scrolls down to the tabs. Let's have a look at a different product. So this product here also doesn't have a review. So just to make sure that it's working, I head over and I hover over be the first to review this product, click on the link, and it scrolls me down. I can then click on the review tab and enter the review. So that's how we've been able then to add a custom message and link it to those tabs on the page if there was no review. So I hope you found that useful, and thank you for watching.